In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landing page in Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to an AI-generated landing page with just a short prompt and a few simple choices. First, open the Emergent AI app in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, do that so your work saves correctly. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a clean workspace designed for quick creation. Keep your project idea in mind, what you're selling, who it's for, and the action you want visitors to take. Next, find and click the option labeled Landing Page. This tells Emergent that you want a full web page rather than a blog post or a marketing email. You'll land in a chat-style interface where all the building happens through natural language. In the message box, type the prompt, "Build a landing page." That simple instruction is enough to get started. If you already know your headline, offer, or audience, you can mention them right in the same message to guide the tone and structure. Clear, concise prompts usually lead to cleaner sections, stronger headlines, and better calls to action. If you have brand assets, you can add an attachment before sending your prompt. This is a great place to include a logo, a product screenshot, a short brand guide, or a document with approved copy. Attachments help Emergent match your style and make the visuals and wording feel on brand. Make sure your files are easy to read and named clearly. Keep any sensitive information out of what you upload. Now, choose a model. Different models balance speed, creativity, and depth in different ways. If you want something fast for a first pass, pick a lighter model. If you're aiming for more nuanced wording or richer structure, select a more advanced one. You can always try another model later if you want a different flavor. When you're ready, click Send or press Enter. Emergent will begin generating your landing page. You'll see it think for a moment as it assembles sections like a hero area, features, social proof, and a call to action. While it loads, be prepared for follow-up questions. Emergent might ask about your product, audience, tone, or desired outcomes. Answer briefly and consistently with your original prompt, then wait for it to finish. Those clarifying details help tighten the copy and ensure the layout supports your goals. That's all there is to it. You've guided Emergent AI to build a landing page from a single prompt, optional attachments, and a quick model selection. Save your work, and you're ready to review, iterate, and use your new page.